This is the elevator. It's some townhome complex over in the title, Homeowners Association in Highland, Denver, Colorado. It's over Oildraulic with impulse from the 90s. The ceiling's disgusting. I think there's water damage. Got the one. Here we go up. Thyssen over. 2001 maybe. Here one. Yeah, this one goes right into the townhome complex. The elevator, you need a key to call it from up here. Go back down to parking. Phone's on the COP. It's an ADA phone. It's a basic laminate Dover cab. Again, the ceiling's like moldy and absolutely disgusting. Here back. Oh, that was really quick leveling. Yeah, the concrete, like the concrete there, because that's gonna be it.